Hi guys, Howard Thomas today, and we're going to be diagnosing an airbag fault for this Audi A1. So first thing we're going to do is get the scan tool plugged in and see what the codes are for the airbag light. So we got codes here for driver's airbag igniter and the control unit steering wheel no comms. So that's the control unit behind the wheel here. So something I like to do, which you don't have to do, but something that just rules that out for me, is if you blast the horn, Toshe. Now whilst blasting it, rotate it. You can see that horn's not working, and as you rotate the wheel, it's not catching on anywhere. So that tells me that there is a clock spring or a steering angle sensor fault in behind it. It's like a mechanism that stops the wires from snapping. That's probably broken down. So first thing we're going to do is strip off the cowling around the steering wheel and investigate it. But with that off, you come under here and there's a yellow plug. All airbag plugs are yellow. So if you undo that plug for me, Tosha, I can't see. Right, now this plug has two wires going to it. From this plug, it's going to go all the way back to the airbag control unit, and the only thing between the steering horn and this plug is a clock spring. So I'm going to get a tool out now, one sec. So we've got a decade box out, and that's that with no resistance on it whatsoever. So if you go on the scan tool, it says it's okay, it's not experiencing too much resistance, and it should be around 2 point something. So you should put on 2, and it's too bright, and it says it still is okay. Put it onto 3, and it's too large. So we know that there's a right amount of resistance going from these wires back to the control unit. Only thing between that and the horn now is a clock spring. So that's our issue. So what we've done is we've moved obviously the airbag here by pushing these tabs out. If we come around the back here and then push it past the clips. Push it past the clips there, and the airbag comes out. So all I have to do is remove this center bolt. Now put your hands over side of the steering wheel and just yank it out. Good work. Yep, just go and pull it. Now with that off, all we have to do is get a genuine one from Audi and refit it.